Hi, today in front of me Nokia 9 PureView, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click yes, agree, pick close and tap to OK. So now we could see information about our battery health, and in my case the battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.